Hello. So in the last video, we have discussed about JWT, account takeover, and also some bug bounty reports, right? So today we are going to discuss about another tool which we use in a bug bounty in Kali Linux. Okay. So the tool name is GoSpider or a fast web spider. It's particularly the one written in Go language as described in the package you have provided. It's a tool that designed for automatically traversing the web, gathering information from the website, and performing various tasks related to the web analytics, data extraction, and security testing. So, a fast web spider or Go Spider is a software program or a script that systematically navigates through web pages, following links and extracting the information. It typically operates autonomously, visiting web pages and collecting data according to the predefined rules and parameters. The fast aspects of this spider implies that it is optimized for speed and efficiency in the crawling website, and there are features like fast web scrolling, brute force and parsing of the sitemap.xml, and parsing the robots.txt file, then link verification from JavaScript file, link finder, identification of AWS S3 buckets and subdomains, URL extraction from the various sources, output formatting for easy grep, and support for burp input, and the parallel crawling, and some random user agent support. There are so many features for this Go Spider tool. Okay, so we are using this tool for web scraping, SEO analysis, security testing, competitive intelligence, content discovery, monitoring and compliance, research and data collection. So overall, GoSpider in Go offers a versatile tool set for a wide range of web-related tasks, from data extraction to security testing, and it is providing valuable insights and automation capabilities. So let's do one thing. We can install this Go Spider in our Kali Linux. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let me log in first. I hope the voice is also getting recorded. Okay, fine. Um, Actually, there are so much noise I hear. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, let me open the terminal first. And do one thing, you have to make a directory in your desktop of Kali Linux, and try to make add all files in that directory, all softwares and all packages, all new files that you are going, or payloads, just in put into that directory. Okay, so here I created a directory called the bug. Okay, so in this directory I'm writing everything. Got it? So similarly you can do the same. Oops, sorry, 1 second. Okay, so we can type go spider -h. So it's not installed yet now, so that's why it's showing in white color. Press enter. So we have to install it now. So press Y, sudo apt install go spider, enter the password, press enter. Oops, Kali. Okay. Every week you have to update and upgrade your Kali Linux. Otherwise, you can't be able to use any softwares. Okay, sudo apt upgrade and sudo apt update. Okay, now we have installed this one. Again, run the command. So now we got the help menu, right? So let me clear this. You can read those things. Okay. So just type go spider hyphen s. Then you can type our website name. For example, let me type kali.org. So it will extract all the URLs and all the files from the kali.org website link. Okay, we can get all the subdomains and all the URLs and the JavaScript file and the link finder, robots.txt file, and everything we can get using this command. Okay, so let me try another site. Kali.org, then what's next? Yeah, reddit.com. Yes, we are getting so many files, subdomains also, and some URLs, some JavaScript files, some forms. We got some forms also. I think we need to store this into a text file so that we can use it later. There are so many files are in this Reddit itself. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll stop this and store it in another file. Okay, Reddit go spider.txt presenter. So it will automatically get stored here. So similarly, you can get, okay, yeah, it's listed. Go, oops. Yeah, we got the file. So many files are here. Okay, it got limitation to store. That's the issue. Don't worry. Let me use grep command. Grep. Mm, admin. Okay. Nothing is here. Grep URL. Yes, we got these things. Submit URL. Did we get any form here? Okay, I cleared that. Now should I again run it again once again? Yes. Subdomains. So many robots.txt file. Okay, we got some subdomains, JavaScript, URLs, link finder, right? So similarly, we can get all the. It's like web scrapping. It's scrap the links or the files from the. I mean, from the websites. Okay, so there is another tool which is in the GitHub. You can check this link finder, Gerben Java Do. Okay, link finder, Gerben Java Do link finder. Just search for that and go here, copy this. We can clone it. Clear. Git clone, paste this thing. Okay, ls. So let's get into this. Clear ls. Linkfinder.php. Okay, so here we have a requirements.txt file. So let's install that. Pip3 install -r requirements. What happened? I think it's got hanged. One second. Okay, requirement.txt. Press enter. We have to install all the requirements first. Okay, so just wait for that. Okay, I'll do one thing. Every day I'll publish two videos. One is from our port speaker and also the bug bounty reports things, and another one is the tools that which help us for bug bounty. Okay, like these things from GitHub or some from Kali. Okay, defaulting to user installation because normal site packages is non-writable. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, here you can see the steps how to install these things. Yeah, okay, we have to install this one second. Copy this. Okay, collecting JS beautifier from hyphena requirements.txt. So let's wait for a few minutes, okay? Okay, on the new tab, let me install everything. Python setup.py. Okay, we have to install this first. After that, we can install that. Oh, I think we have to mention Python 3 maybe. No. Okay, wait till it's get completely loaded. Let me check this thing. It's updated of it's updated 4 years ago. Um, Hope it's still working. Okay. So link finder is a Python script written to discover endpoints and their parameters in JS files. This way, pen testers and bug bounty hunters are able to get a new hidden endpoint on the website they are testing. So let's try. One second, I get a call. I'll call you later. Okay. Okay, it takes some time. So let's wait. Installing backend dependencies. Fine. Okay, it's downloading. Maybe my network is too slow. Okay, installing build the dependencies. Center. Okay, I hate this lagging. It's okay, let's wait. Mm-hmm. Getting requirements to get the wheel, installing backend dependencies again. Yes, successfully built JSP fire. Okay, fine. Clear. And let me install Python 3. Please make appropriate thing. Okay, fine. So ls clear ls Python 3 link finder dot py hyphen h. Yeah, it got installed successfully. So let's change this hyphen I. Then we can give our website name https colon slash slash www.kali.org. Nah, let me give reddit.com. Then hyphen nah, just yeah, hyphen o reddit.txt. Okay, reddit result.txt. Let's see. I think yeah, this software is not valid. Oops, sorry. Yeah, we got the Reddit page. Okay, let me close this. Don't save. Yeah, the software is not valid right now, so that's the issue. Okay, it shows. Yeah, it's valid. No issues. So we got the some endpoints that we can use in the Reddit site. Okay, we got some SRC things. Yeah, we got some link from href tab and SRC set. Yes, right. Okay, so now we got some endpoints in the reddit.com site. Fine. So similarly, you can try any other targets. Okay. So today we have learned about two tools. First one is GoSpider, which extract all the links, subdomains, robots files, and verifying JavaScript files, everything from a site. Second thing, Link Finder. It's a Python script which use it to discover the endpoints and the parameters in the JS file. I hope you understood both these tools. Okay, and practice this in your target site and find any sensitive or confidential or any vulnerable endpoints or domain. Okay, so thank you.